Want more leads? Let's build a high converting opt-in page in GoHighLevel, step by step. Inside your dashboard, head to the funnels and create a new funnel. Choose a clean, simple template because simple pages convert best. Write a headline that clearly states the benefit. Think, get your free guide today. Short, direct, and value-packed. Now, only ask for the essentials, usually name and emails. The fewer fields you add, the higher the conversion rate. Drop in testimonial, a guarantee, or even a quick image to build trust and reduce hesitation. Then connect the form to your workflow so every sign-up triggers an email or SMS follow-up instantly. And that's how you build a high-converting opt-in page with GoHighLevel. Keep it simple, keep it clear, and watch your leads grow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.